Hello everyone and welcome. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to tell you about an item that I just got at a really good price in case you guys want to get it also. You see, I'm currently gathering all the parts that I need to build myself a new PC. Now, I know that I normally talk about tools and stuff like that on my channel, but I do occasionally talk about some technology stuff like security cameras and scanners and things like that. Now, after watching this video, if you guys let me know that you're interested in this sort of stuff, then I'll be sure to add more of these videos as I gather more of the parts that I need to build myself my new PC. I can also build a PC build video once I have all the parts that I need gathered together. If you're interested, I can show you exactly how easy it is to build your own computer. If you're not interested, well then this may be the only computer technology video that I do. So let me tell you a little bit about this power supply and how you can get it also if you're interested in this and get it at a good discounted price at this given time. Now this is a power supply that you can use for a brand new PC like I'm going to do, or you can use it to replace an old one that's gone bad on your existing PC. And if you're interested in honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what I have here. This is the Segotep power supply right there. Let me show you the box. And let's open this puppy up and see what I got this time. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is a Segotep 850 watt modular RGB PSU for your computer, available on Amazon, link in description below. Now at the time of making this video, this unit retails for $109.98, which is already a discounted price compared to other manufacturers, but I also found a discount code that I'll put in the description down below where you can save yourself an additional 20% off that price. So take advantage of that if you're looking at getting yourself a power supply unit for your computer. Now, what do you get when you unbox this puppy? Well, you get the power supply itself, you get the owner's manual that tells you everything about the unit. I suggest you read through that. You get all the cables to be able to hook it up inside your computer, and you get two power supply cables, one for North America and one for the EU. Now, the dimensions on this unit are fairly compact. You're looking at 6 inches by 6 inches by 3.5 inches in width. The warranty on this unit is 2 years. And this is an 850 watt power supply. The input on this is anywhere from 100 to 240 volts AC, and it is self-adaptive for global voltage. So anywhere in the world, you can buy this unit and it'll adapt to whatever your current voltage is. Now this is 80 plus gold certified, and it is an ATX power supply with clean, stable voltage. 92% efficiency at 115 volts, ready for overclocking if you choose to do so. Now this uses an LLC Pro architecture for high performance with reduced heat creation. So it has good heat dissipation. Unlike a lot of modern computers that get really hot, this unit should stay nice and cool. It has 7 built-in protections for under voltage, over voltage, short circuit protection, overpower protection, overcurrent protection, overheat protection, and lightning protection. It is fully modular for better use of space, better airflow through your computer case, better cable management, and a cleaner looking case in case you have like an open case with a mesh on one of the sides, or you have a clear panel where you can see inside your case. Then you want to have a nice clean design to keep everything looking decent. And like I said, it is modular. Like you can see all the connections right there. You plug in only the cables that you need instead of all the excess cables that you don't need. Like most other power supplies, here's an example of another power supply. You can see it is a mess of cables. It is an octopus. And the cables, it is not modular. This one, the cables come built into the unit, and you have to live with this for the life that you have your computer. Now this is messy and ugly, not something you want to display. And I'll show you another computer in a moment and show you exactly how this looks. And look at the size of this fan compared to the size of this one. Big difference in fan from this to this. This will stay much cooler than that. Now this one has RGB light effects, where it has 13 different RGB light effects to choose from, where you have 7 colors to choose from and 6 different lighting effects. It also has a memory where whenever you turn it off, whatever you selected, it'll stay at that given RGB pattern. And selecting the pattern is extremely easy. It has a button right here on the back where the power button is right next to it. That button, you just cycle through all the different effects that you want, and that's to where it stays. So it's very easy on the outside of the computer, easy to get to, easy to change it whenever you change your mind or your mood. So very convenient right there. Now, the different effects that this has, it has different color modes and different effects like mixed color breath, mixed constant lighting, 7 colored breath designs, 7 tailing breath, mixed color marquee, or off. If you don't want to see any RGB lighting, you can just turn it off. Now, this has a 140 millimeter hydraulic bearing fan with a 40,000 hours of lifespan. And this fan is very quiet, rated at only 27 decibels, which is really, really quiet. And it is also AI smart temp controlled, so the computer will select how fast this fan will run. And I can tell you, a lot of fans in the computers are really, really noisy. Like that other one that I just showed you is one of the type that gets really noisy. Like on my current computer, the fan is similar to that other one, and that sounds like an airplane ready to take off when it gets really going. It really, really makes a lot of racket. So I'm looking forward to this being nice and quiet. Now this has a 24-pin motherboard interface, an 8-pin CPU interface, 4 PCIe interface, 6 D-type 4-pin interface, and 8 SATA interfaces. That's what all these cables are for. So you have a lot of different choices as to how you set up your computer. So let me get a computer, I'm going to hook it up and show you exactly how it sounds and looks. Alright guys, so here you have an example of an old computer that I keep lying around because I keep it for testing purposes. This is not a fully functional computer. This is just a test base that I use for different things on occasion when I need to. So this is an old computer, like I said, look at the old style. This is a closed case computer. Normally it's a rat's nest of wiring in here. It's totally messy, disorganized, totally looks ugly. That's why you close it up. But more modern computers are getting more and more attractive to look at. They're becoming a piece of art instead of just an appliance you hide away somewhere. A lot of them have clear panels on the side where you can see into the computer and you want to make it attractive. And a lot of people make it into a light show. That's one of the things that this power supply unit is good for. You can make your computer into a light show. And a lot of computers get really hot now, so you want to have them open so they can cool off and stay cooler even better. So this, like I said, is an example of old technology. Now I'm going to install the new power supply unit. I'm not going to really install it. I'm just going to hook it up so you can see what it looks like with the different effects that it has. Because I can't just plug it in and have it show you what it does, because it doesn't work that way. It has to be connected to an actual computer, a motherboard and so forth to be able to function. So let me hook that up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I connected the power supply to the computer itself. I have it hooked up to the motherboard and I have it powered up right here, as you can see. And normally this would be installed back there where you have that old power supply. This one would be back there in that place. But I wouldn't be able to show it to you if I did that. So instead of installing it in the computer itself, I have it out here so I can demonstrate how quiet it is and the different lighting effects that it has. So I'm going to cycle through all the different effects that it has and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So let me power up the computer and we'll go from there. And you see, this is one of the effects that it starts off with, and you can cycle through whatever it is that you want to see. And like I said, it's very simple. The button on the side right there, and you can pick through a multitude of different effects. Again, you can turn your computer into a light show. If you have a gaming computer and so forth, it can be quite entertaining to see different things like that as you have it there right next to you on your desktop or something. And you can have solid colors if you like. And like I said, it does have a memory effect, so when you turn it off, it goes right back to where you left it on. And there you have, right there, you can turn it off. If you don't want to see any lighting effects, you turn off the RGB. But you see the fan is still going. It is still producing power. The computer is still powered up. I don't know if you can see the light down here. The computer is still powered up. And you can see how quiet that fan is. I can't even hear it. I'm standing right next to it. I cannot hear that fan. That is really, really a super quiet fan. Like I said, you just go back to it, turn on the lighting effects, and there you go. So that's all the lighting effects. I just cycled through them rather quickly, and it could be quite entertaining to just change your mood anytime you want to and have any different type of lighting that you want. Alright guys, there you have it. A really fantastic little power supply unit at a really great price. Take advantage of the discount that I have in the description down below if you're interested in something like this. Whether you're replacing an old one that's gone bad on an existing computer, or whether you're building a brand new computer and you need a new power supply. Check this out. Go to their Amazon page and get all the details. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, let me know, and I'll make more computer-related product videos for you guys in the future. If not, then I hope you enjoyed this one anyway. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.